Right. This is a question with regards to the solar eclipse going to take place on the 13th of September. Now, solar eclipses, like astronomical information, is something that can be predicted. If you look at astronomical websites, they will tell you when solar eclipses will take place for hundreds of years. They can predict them. Based on that, there is a subsequent possibility of solar eclipses taking place, of a solar eclipse taking place on the 13th of September. So based on that, whenever a solar eclipse takes place, the moon is in conjunction, so it is in a position where it cannot be sighted. So based on that, and based on what I've mentioned of senior scholars saying, that if that is the case, testimonies of sighting will only be accepted if there is mass sighting against that information. Otherwise, on the time of Mahak, that information given on that particular time would be considered doubtful. Now, when I say information given at that particular time being doubtful, what do we mean? Hazrat Mufti Taqi Sahab writes, and similarly a fatwa from Jamiatul Rashid also states that we will not call that person who sighted the moon, Crescent, Hilal, when it was not possible to be sighted, to be a liar. He is not lying. Sometimes there are what we will call people who are adil and religiously practicing people who sight the moon. And it's usually those practicing people that go out to sight the moon. And they see something in the sky and they feel they've sighted the moon, and therefore they come forward with a testimony. What we need to understand is, sometimes you may see other things which confuse you with the moon. And that is what they are seeing. So we are not saying people are deliberately lying or will. Sometimes you do get, there is a story of Hazrat Anas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, where his eyebrow was over his eye and he was looking for the moon and he thought he had seen the moon. When it was brushed away, he saw that the sky was clear and there was no moon. So confusions do arise. So we will not say somebody is lying. What will happen is we will refute a testimony which is not practically a testimony.